are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology, Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control automatic, cold weather package, center armrest, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.